Hi viewers, welcome to Excel Tutorial Hub. In this video, you will learn about how to use the SQRT function in Excel. The SQRT function in Excel is used to calculate the square root of given number. Let's walk through the function with the help of this table. So here I have already few numbers. Let's calculate the square root of these numbers. To calculate the square root of these number, we need to type here is equal to type SQRT, open parenthesis, click on the number, close parenthesis and press enter. So that's how we can calculate the square root of the given number. I will drag it down so the Excel will automatically calculate the square root of all numbers. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, like and share this video and subscribe Excel Tutorial Hub for more interesting videos about Excel.